So welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss intermediate second year mathematics paper 2A. The topic is complex numbers. So ఈ వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు మన చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సో అలాగే పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. సో ఇలా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటేనే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో ఈ వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. సో అలాగే ఈ వీడియోస్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే విధంగా చూడండి. సో మన ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సో నెక్స్ట్ we discuss the exercise problems. Simplify I square plus I power of 4 plus I power of 6 up to dash dash 2n plus 1 terms. Find this value. See here I can write I square plus I power of 4 can be written as I square again whole square 2 to the 4 plus I power of 6 can be written as I square to the power of 3 again 3 to the 6 plus dash dash plus I square to the power of what is the last term equal to 2n plus 1. Okay, then already we know that what is the value of I square equal to, that is equal to minus 1. Then substitute minus 1 plus minus 1 to the power of 2 plus minus 1 to the power of 3 up to dash dash plus minus 1 to the power of 2n plus 1. Okay, then minus 1, 2 is the even number, so minus 1 to the power of 2 equal to, that is equal to positive value plus 1. 3 is the odd number, so that is why it value equal to minus 1, minus into plus again minus 1 plus up to dash dash plus minus 1 to the power of 2n plus 1 can be written as minus 1 to the power of 2n into minus 1 to the power of 1. Bases are equal, it should be add the powers, again you will get minus 1 power of 2n plus 1. So then minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus up to dash dash plus minus 1 power of 2n minus 1 power of 2n into minus 1 power of minus 1 power of 1 equal to, again you will get minus 1. See here minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, the alternative you have to cancel the plus 1 minus 1. Similarly this element is also both are gets cancelled. Finally we will get which value? Minus 1 value. So the final answer is minus 1. We discuss next question, same problem. Simplify this value. So I power of 18 can be written as I power of 2 to the power of 9, 9 to the 18 minus 3 into I power of 2 I square to the power of 3. I square to the power of 3 means 3 to the 6, I power of 6, but here I power of 7, so that is why I multiply by I. So then I power of 6 into I power of 1, bases are equal, you should be add the powers, you will get I power of 7. Then plus I square, the bracket value is 1 plus I power of 4 can be written as I square whole square into minus I power of 26 minus I power of 26. Clear. Next I square value equal to minus 1 power of 9 plus 3 into minus 1 power of 3 into I plus I square value equal to minus 1. So 1 plus minus 1 to the power of 2. Here minus I power of 26 can be written as so minus of 1 to the power of 26 into I to the power of 2 to the power of 13. Let's see here I minus I power of 26 can be written as minus 1 power of 26 into I square to the power of 13, 13 to the 26, I power of 26 I power minus 1 to the power of 26, bases are equal, you should be add the powers, finally we will get minus I to the power of 26. Next it is the odd number, so that is why the value equal to minus 1. It is also odd number, the value equal to minus 1, minus into minus plus 3 into I 3I, okay, plus into minus minus 1 into bracket of 1. It is the even number means it is a positive value 1 plus 1. Then 26 is also even number, so that is equal to 1 into I square value minus 1 to the power of 13. Okay, next it is equal to minus 1 plus 3i, 1 plus 1 2, 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 into 1 into, it is the even number or odd number. 13 is the odd number, so odd number means it is the negative value. Minus into minus, again plus into 1. So finally you have to write minus 1 plus 3i plus 2 into 1 into 1, so that is equal to 2. So then plus 2 minus 1 equal to 1, so 1 plus 3i. It is our final solution. Next bit, find the square root for the following complex numbers. So given the one complex number, the first question is 7 plus 24i. So let's see here, already we know that the square root of the complex number a plus ib equal to plus or minus then square root of, again square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into square root of, again square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. It is the principle of square root of the complex number a plus ib equal to plus or minus. See here given one condition, the complex number 7 plus 24i, it is equivalent to a plus ib. So then a equal to 7, then b equal to 24. b is greater than 0. Suppose the b is greater than 0, take this principle. Here you have to write plus. Suppose b is less than 0, here you have to write minus. Okay, so then b is greater than means take this principle, you have to write square root of 7 plus 24i equal to plus or minus square root of, again square root of a square plus b square. A square means 7 square plus b square means 24 square plus a 7 by 2 plus I into square root of, again square root of 7 square a square plus b square 24 square minus of 7 by 2. Clear? So it is equal to plus or minus square root of 7 square plus 24 square means the total value equal to 625. The square root of 625 plus 7 by 2 plus I into square root of, this total square root value equal to 625 minus 7 by 2. See here, the square root of 625 equal to, what is the value of square root of 625 equal to? So plus or minus square root of 625 equal to 25 plus 7 by 2 plus I into square root of, this square root also 25 minus 7 by 2. Next it is equal to plus or minus, see here, square root of 25 plus 7 equal to 32, square root of 32 by 2 plus I into square root of 25 minus 7 equal to 18 by 2. So then 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja. So then plus or minus root of 16 plus I into square root of 9. Root of 16 equal to, already we know that is equal to 4 plus I into root of 9 equal to 3. So finally you have to write plus or minus 4 plus 3i. It is the square root of, what is the given question? 7 plus 24i. 7 plus 24i. The square root of 7 plus 24i equal to plus or minus 4 plus 3i. Next same question we discuss. Find the square root of the following complex number. So here a plus ib, it is equal to minus 8 to minus 6i. So you have to compare the real parts. A equal to minus 8, imaginary part b equal to minus 6. It is less than 0. B is less than 0 means what is the principle of square root of the complex number a plus ib equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2, then minus of I into square root of a square plus b square minus of a by 2. So then you can substitute a comma b values, then square root of minus 8 minus 6i equal to plus or minus then square root of a square plus b square. A square means directly you have to write a square minus 8 whole square means 64 plus b square means minus 6 means 36 plus a means minus 8 plus into minus of 8 by 2 minus of I into square root of again square root of the same value 64 plus 36, then minus into minus plus 8 by 2, then you have to calculate. It is equal to plus or minus square root of 36 plus 64 equal to root of 100 minus 8 by 2 minus of 8 into square root of 100 plus 8 by 2. So root of 100 means plus or minus square root of what is the root 100 equal to 10. So then 10 minus 8 by 2 minus of 8 into square root of 10 plus 8 by 2. So it is equal to plus or minus, so 10 minus 8 equal to square root of 2 by 2 minus of 8 into square root of 10 plus 8 18 by 2, then both are gets cancelled, 2 1 ja 2 9 ja. So then it is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus of 8 into root of 9. So then root of 1 is nothing but 1 minus root 9 equal to 3. So then 3 into I. It is the square root of the given complex number. Next question. Find the square root of the complex number 3 plus 4i. So comparing to the general complex number a plus ib equal to 3 plus 4i. The real parts a equal to 3, imaginary part b equal to 4. So b value is positive value, it is greater than 0. Positive value means square root of a plus ib equal to, here you have to write positive. Then substitute. Then square root of 3 plus 4i equal to plus or minus square root of again square root of a square plus b square. A square means 9 plus b square means 16 plus a means 3 by 2 plus I into square root of a plus a square plus b square minus of a by 2. So then plus or minus square root of 9 plus 16 equal to 25. Root 25 value equal to root 25. So write down plus 3 by 2 plus I into square root of root 25 minus 3 by 2. So it is equal to plus or minus square root of root 25 equal to 5 plus 3 by 2 plus I into square root of 5 minus 3 by 2. Okay, it is equal to plus or minus then square root of 5 plus 3 8 by 2 plus I into square root of 5 minus 3 then 2 by 2. So both are gets cancelled. So then plus or minus square root of 4 plus I into square root of 1. So what is the square root of 4 equal to 2? So then it is equal to plus or minus 2 plus I. Next, last question for this section. Find the square root of the complex number minus 47 plus I into 8 root 3. So it is comparing to the a plus ib. The real part a equal to minus 47, the imaginary part b equal to 8 root 3. It is a positive number, it is greater than 0. So then b is greater than 0 means root of a plus ib is taken as plus or minus root value plus, here you have to take plus plus. Why? Because b is greater than 0, that means you have to take here plus. Then substitute a comma b values. It is equal to plus or minus square root of a square. A square means minus 47 whole square plus b square 8 root 3 whole square. Next plus a, plus into minus, minus 47 by 2 plus I into square root of minus 47 whole square plus 8 into root 3 whole square minus into minus plus 47 by 2. Okay, it is clear. It is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 47 whole square means square root of, so 2209 plus 8 root 3 means 8 square means 64, root 3 whole square means 3, 64 into 3 equal to 192 minus of 47 by 2 plus I into again square root of, what is our square root value equal to, 47 whole square means the same value, root of 2209 plus 192 plus 47 by 2. Okay, it is equal to plus or minus square root of 2209 plus 192 equal to square root of 2401 minus of 47 by 2 plus I into square root of, which is also same value, 2401 plus 47 by 2. Okay, so it can be written as plus or minus, what is the square root of 2401 equal to 49. So then square root of 49 minus 47 by 2 plus I into square root of 49 plus 47 by 2. So then plus or minus square root of 49 minus 47 equal to 2, that is equal to 2 by 2 plus I into square root of 47 plus 49 equal to 96 by 2. So then 2 both are gets cancelled. So then plus or minus square root of 1 plus I into square root of 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja. So then finally we'll get, you can write 48, root of 48. Then root of 48 can be written as 16 into 3, 16 3 ja 48. So it is equal to plus or minus root 1 equal to 1 plus I into square root of 16 into 3. What is the square root of 16 equal to 4? So finally you have to write 1 plus, so 4 into I into 4 root 3. So it is our final solution of square root of minus 47 plus I into 8 root 3 equal to plus or minus 1 plus I into 4 root 3.